the nightingale, there is heartache in this town, and the stars are just old lights, I can see them falling down. But I'm not scared of the dark, it's been less bite and more bark. I'm not scared of the end, life always begins again.
Even if this all ends up in a puddle of burning goo, we can go off together. How long have we been friends?
Crowley.
6,000 years.
Friends, we're not friends. We are an angel and a demon.
There is heartache on your lips.
You were on opposite sides.
We're on our side.
There is no our side, Crowley.
We could have been us.
But don't be scared of the dark, it's been less bite and more bark. Don't be scared of the end, life always begins again.
Don't bother.
With the songs of nightingales.
Stuff happened.
With the songs
I
of
lost my best friend.
night.